I walk through fire with no name, carry pain I couldn't explain, my shadow heavy, hard like stone. Still I felt I wasn't alone. In the silence something spoke, not in words but in hope. A gentle wind inside my chest, saying, child, you are not lost yet. Heavy me, malo, my spirit don't go. Duro pelumi, stay with me. Moferi mole, I want to see the light. Inuo kunkunyi, oh, carry me home, where my soul belongs, where my tears are songs, and my pain feels known. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Emi wa walao. Oh yeah. Chimdi chimdi, dubundu aigadi. Said the earth will teach if you listen when it speaks. Every scar a sacred sign, every loss is still divine. I was drowning in my fears, washing pain with hidden tears. Then I heard the ancestors call. You were never meant to fall. Emimi bami, my spirit save me. Fumini alafia, give me peace. Moti re, moti sunkun. I am tired, shuba moduro, but I stand. Oh, lift me above all the weight I've known. Let me feel your love. If I break, will I become? If I fall, will I rise again? Mojeni, monitan, kosi pari, si emimi. Mojeni, mojeni, kosi pari, kosi pari. Mojeni. Tear, I let it flow. Now I finally know I am not my darkest days. I am more than all my pain. There's a fire deep in me that was always meant to be. Emimi, bemiga, jakiri orum, moti padawa, sharami. Oh, I am alive through the storm and the night. Now I see the light. Now I feel the light. Emimi. Oh, na na,